Sparks Comparison. In this video, you'll see how to create a comparison chart with Sparks. First, mark a value range from a table. Then, select the Comparison Chart type from the Sparks ribbon. Select a range where the chart should appear and click OK. Click on the tool icon by the chart range to open the Sparks Manager. Click the button to the right of the Reference Values field, or use F2 to select a reference value range. Click OK, and then click Apply in the Sparks Manager window. These parameters are then added to the Excel formula. Click OK. You have now created a dynamic formula-based comparison chart that can be further customized to meet your needs.